Hey guys, it's Colin with Investbnb Solutions. We offer co-hosting, property management, consulting, and more with our business. Short-term rentals are Airbnbs or Vrbos. You've probably stayed in one before, or you've at least heard of them. We are looking at another market. It's Monday, Market Evaluation Monday. We're looking at the overview here of Jasper. So Jasper is like the town site of a national park. One of my favorite places in the world. It's just south of us. It's about 4 hours. I'm invested in Hinton, which is just a smaller market outside of Jasper. So we're going to look at Jasper today. There's 109 active listings. It's a small town. There's not lots there. Quite a bit different vibe from Canmore or Banff. We've looked at that one before. Annual revenue is incredible here. But again, you kind of got to know what you're buying or what you're investing in. I know that Jasper, it's going to be pretty expensive. Like, it's a small mountain town. It's right in the middle of everything there. Crazy busy in the summer. So that's a number you should expect if you're investing there. Occupancy rate is really good. There's a ski hill that's really close to Jasper. So the winter, I think, stays busier than we are in Hinton. It's a little bit cheaper to stay there. So easier to get folks there year round. Average daily rate, $233. I'll talk about that in a minute. So regulation, again, I'm kind of surprised. I always say this. I'm kind of surprised it's as high as it is. So when you look at this snapshot of the market overview, you need more data than just this. Because if you look at this, it's like, well, that's, you'd be kind of stupid not to invest there. Well, for one, I know that you almost can't really invest there, or it's going to be really, really hard to do so. I remember when I was looking, like last year, there was like one house for sale in all of Jasper for a couple months. And it was like a small 3-bedroom, and I think it was almost $1 million. So I'm not, if you have a mortgage on that, I don't know if you're going to be able to break even. The other thing that's important is, without looking at more data, if you just go to Airbnb and you try to get a place for 8 guests, I don't think you even can. Or there might be 1 or 2 places, but it's not even like a full house for 8 people. The house is going to be like maybe a 3-bedroom, and there's only a couple of those in Jasper. And they're going to have the other 2 people sleeping on a couch, or it's a 2-bedroom. They say they can have 8, but it's like you're on a floor or a couch. So Jasper's an interesting market. That's why Hinton is so busy, is because like there's really not many places there for big groups, and there are lots of big groups that travel together. So again, you got to look at all the data. It's about the same market score as Hinton, but again, if you look at all the data, I think a place like Hinton is a little bit better. I think even overall, if you're invested in Canmore, it's going to be even a little bit better. But again, you'd have to just dig into it a little bit more. Still, great demand. I think the demand should be a little bit higher there, because it's awesome if you can actually stay there. If you're with a smaller group, perfect place to stay. But there are tons of groups, like I already said, that travel in bigger groups, and those people, they just can't stay in Jasper, or it's insanely expensive to stay there. So Jasper is a decent market, but it's one that you almost can't really get into. So yeah,